What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to this multi-time frame forecast. We're going to be going over Ethereum. If you don't remember, we had talked about this pair a while back, I think last week. Oops. And what I was trying to say is basically what I wrote right here. If we treat this level as support, this 1351, with a retest, then we're going to shoot up to this extension zone, which was up here. And that's pretty much exactly what we did. Um, we're really close to this extension zone, and this extension zone is actually close to this previous all-time high as well. But we can see we already passed that. So what we're looking for right now is just to see what price is going to be doing on the daily and the 4 hour at this range. So you can see that we have an overextension of a bullish momentum, which once again, guys, I just want to reiterate the fact that cryptos and stocks in general, they don't respond the same way that Forex responds. So you can't be expecting the same type of behavioral patterns that you would expect from the Forex market. That being said, it still is an instrument that has peaks and valleys, growth and retracements with healthy corrections. So you can see here we still use structure. If we just look left, the chart will always leave clues. We have structure, breakthrough, and then we come down and we test structure, previous resistance as support. We break through current structure, and then we come back and we test it as support. So we're always in this pattern of support, resistance, and then it transitioning. So um, here was another one, as you can see clearly, and then this one was another resistance over here. So we're always using structure regardless of the instrument, but because this is a lot of hype behind it, cryptos are booming again. It's an opportunity for people to make a lot of money, uh, especially after Wall Street bets. It's unsure what will happen. There's a couple of crypto, I guess you could say, economists that suggest it can go up to 3,000, which would be ideal. It would make me quite a bit amount of money, and it would also give an opportunity for a lot of individuals right now to make a lot of money. But we might be seeing some type of retracement or some sideways action in the interim. So we might hit this level and then do something like this all the way up to that 3,000 range. And he even said it could make a push all the way up to 5,000, which would be ridiculous. But once again, guys, we are not trying to predict the market. We're just trying to respond to it. So what we're looking for here on the daily time frame, let's just take a quick look. You can see we broke through that structure on the monthly and the weekly. And what we were looking for is just some retest. So we came up, we retested it, and we confirmed it with this candle right here, saying we're not going to go below it. So you could have actually put your entry a couple of pips above this candle, and you would have hit the order and put in your stop loss below this area of structure. You would have been safe because you could see here it came down, looked like it was going to hit it, but it didn't. And then you can see we're starting to make strides upward. So we broke through this area of structure, and that's what I was saying. If we want to make another move upward, we need to break through that structure. So now we have another one, and what we need to do is do something like this. You can see that the momentum is starting to uh, wane a little bit. So if you know Elliott wave theory or just even fibs in general, you could understand the fact that it comes in waves, the momentum, and we're kind of nearing a gas out, an extension gas out with this particular instrument. So just be precautious, guys. Remember, as Buffett always says, blood on the streets is the best time to buy, and when everyone is cheering for it, you guys want to be selling. So buy and cheer, sell on fear. Other way around, buy on fear, sell on cheer. Anyways, this is Ethereum, guys. What we're looking for is just to see what price is going to do at this level right here. And what I'll do is I'll actually clean this up a bit. I still think that we might see a nice retracement, especially since this is still holding true with our pattern that we had created. So I'll just mark that up once more so you guys can see it. What the fuck? Let's try that one more time, guys. What the hell? TradingView's been giving me some crap recently. So we might be seeing something like that. I'm hopeful, guys. Obviously, I'm in this with you guys as well. I'm not trying for it to come down. I'm just trying to be realistic. So we could see that if we do start seeing that zone being a reversal, um, this is actually lining with the 50% fib on the monthly, and this is also structure. So I'm not trying to be a pessimist, guys. I'm just trying to be realistic here. I don't want you guys to think I'm anti crypto. Been talking about it for years now. Um, and the way we'll, oops, let's put that back up real quick. So if that does happen, this would be a good opportunity to buy right here. So if you missed it out on this opportunity, guess what, guys? You guys still have a chance to get in on this, assuming it comes down to this level. Obviously, we're trying to be reactive and responsive to the market. We're not trying to be predictive. And one more thing. So if we do treat that as support, what we're going to be looking at is basically just a little bit above right here. So we'll mark this one up. So if the level treats as resistance, and that's pretty much it, guys. So what we're looking for is if this zone is treated as resistance, we're going to be waiting for a nice pullback towards here so we can buy some more. Otherwise, what we're going to be looking at is just hodling, guys. Hodling until we hit to the 3K mark. So I'll just put out some numbers for you guys. So this is this is 5,000. And this is 3,000. So the analyst says that it's likely to make it up to 3,000 maybe by the end of March, um, up to 5,000 by the end of the year. And I had talked about it being hitting this zone. If this was treated as support, and that's exactly what happened. So once again, guys, we're just going to be looking at this on the daily and the 4 hour, just monitoring the candles and determining whether or not, if you want to, take some profit, which I wouldn't recommend. Just hodl, guys, and then wait for it to come back down and then buy some more. So I was buying the dips. Anyways, this is Ethereum, guys. Hopefully you guys are making some money. This is a great opportunity for everyone to make money right now. And hopefully you guys are not missing out on this.